Hey friends, we are here to do a little bonus Christmas stuffing. Woo! I'm excited. I'm going to put $100 into my Christmas binder today. I think this video is going to be really quick because it's super easy to spend $100. So this money is coming from a little side job that I did. I do have some more as well, but I think I'm going to put that maybe into Mini Madness or something else. So we're just going to do 100 for now. This is just going to give my Christmas binder a little bump and kind of try to catch me up to where I want to be. So let's get going. For Christmas this year, we're working on the Festive and Feisty challenge. This is a savings challenge binder available in my shop. You can get it on rings, but I chose to just put it in this binder that I already had. So you have either option. And my version is $2,000 total, but it does also come in $1,000. I know a lot of people like to save $1,000 for their for their Christmas, but I'm just super ambitious and extra and want to do $2,000. So we already finished Too Lit to Quit, Resting Grinch Faced, Let's Get Elfed Up, and Slay All Day, and we're working on Merry Christmas, you filthy animal. And it looks like we do have an $11 IOU. So let's take the calculator, put 100 on there, minus 11, which means we have $89 left to go. And let's see if we could finish this page. I honestly don't know because these numbers are big. I want to say, yes, we should finish it, but you never know. Again, remember, this is a $2,000 challenge, so like I said, these numbers are big. This challenge alone adds up to $180. So it's some big ones. This is just an 8, which I love. Let's subtract 8, but I bet there is a 30 something in here. I don't know for sure, but I'm betting because I just don't see how this adds up to 180 with the numbers that we already have. Let's see, 20. Okay. We could do it, and I'm hoping we could finish this. Even if we have an IOU, at least we will get this finished. We're down to $61, and really it could be close. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, 30. Okay. So we're gonna have $31 left. Is this number less than 31? It could be a 35, it could be a 40 for all I know. I really don't know. But let's see. Oh, it's a, yes, 24. Nice. Okay, so we finished this and we have a few dollars left over. Love that. We have $7 left. Where's my vacuum? Over here. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, so we finished Merry Christmas, You Filthy Animal. We're moving on to I'm Full of Holiday Spirit. It's called vodka. Let's see what we got going on here. Okay, this challenge is almost as big, $172. It's another scratch off. Let's see, let's just go here at the top. Oh, ouch, $30. Okay, I wasn't expecting that, even though I should have, I guess, because again, it's another big challenge, but ouchie, ouchie, ouch. Okay, but we got a big one out of the way, right? So we have a $23 IOU. It's okay, it happens. We erase this. Let's see. $23 is what we owe. We're gonna clip this on here, and wow, is this a short video? Way shorter than I thought. I almost feel like it's not even worth like putting out, but I'm gonna do it. I mean, this was my plan, but that's just nuts. Okay, let's put the $100 in this envelope I just made out of some paper that I got off Amazon, some Christmas paper. Super cute. I'm thinking about maybe like making some of these and selling them because I do have leftover paper. I have some other designs. Let me know if you guys would be interested in that. They would be A5 size. The paper is almost perfectly sized for A5. So yeah, if you'd be interested in that, let me know. But let's count up how much we have saved for Christmas of 2025. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 50, 800. Oh my God. 800, 10, 20, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 839. Is that real? Is that real, you guys? Wow. Wow, we are almost halfway there. Oh my goodness. So, and actually we technically have a little bit more once we pay our IOU. Let's see, I think I had said this $180 challenge was one of the biggest in here. So we did at least get that out of the way, and then they kind of start going down. This one's 166, 170, 172. Well, not by much. This one's 144, so that's not bad. Ooh, 212. Okay, that's the biggest for sure, 212. 132, and then there's a little bit of a bonus here. So we definitely still have a lot of work to do, but I can't believe we are at over $800 already for Christmas. That's amazing. Okay, if you want to get your hands on this binder, there is a current sale in the shop. I meant to actually say this in my last video, and of course I forgot. A sale on every single thing in the shop right now, but you only have a couple days left to order. Remember that the last day to order physical items in the shop is April 17th, which I think this video is probably going to air on the 16th, so you have until tomorrow night to take advantage of that, and then the shop will be closed until I return from vacation. You will be able to only order digital items while I'm away. And also remember that if your subtotal is $50 or more, you do get the cute little coin scratch off, which again, I don't have handy to show you, but I did show it on a community post on my Instagram. So if you're interested in seeing what that looks like, you can jump over there and check that out. But that is it. Thank you so much for watching until the end of this really super duper short video. I told you guys it was going to be super easy and fast to spend $100, didn't I? All right, that is it for this one, my friends. I love you guys so much. I'll see you in the next one.